here. PE ratio above 30, not the time for investment. You do trading, but don't come for investment. PE ratio 22 to 24. Small tradings, small investments, swing trading, positional tradings, fine, no problem. PE ratio 20 to 24. Filter the stock below low PE ratio stock and start investment. 16 to 18, you have to plan for it. Even to 20 to 24 also, if you have not started investment, you have just kept your stocks ready. 16 to 18, anyways you have to do. You have to do, because that time will never come. Once in a while it happens actually. So 16 to 18 and all, if it comes, plan your future. Make a safe amount for your future. And PE ratio below 16, don't take it personally. Beg, borrow, steal, and invest. Increase your investment. Reason is that time will never happen. If it happens, do anything you can and invest in the market. Okay. So this is the process, like the ranges where you can make your investment. Above 30 and all, please don't think of investment. Above 30, don't think. You can do tradings. Now the range is 22 to 23. Do small term tradings, short term tradings, swing tradings, but don't invest badly. Maybe you can wait for some time. Okay. So P indications. If P ratio is above 32, profit booking, time to close your existing. See, not only for fresh investment, also it will give you an idea what to do with your current holdings. I told you, right? 3 things. Inactive stocks, throw it away. Stocks which is bleeding, throw it away. Stock which is like showing a risk, half, 50 percentage you can keep. So profit booking, time to close your existing positions if it is profit. Don't create fresh positions. Close the positions which is not performing. Short-term capital gains, close positions and re-enter in cheaper rates. That is for short-term tradings. Long-term investments, don't keep the funds under any commitment. This is actual thing. If it is a long-term investment, don't keep it for recent commitment. It is for your future. Bad time for fresh investment, above 32. If P ratio is below 20, identify undervalued stocks in blue chip, mid cap, large cap, Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Nifty 500, any stock. Check fundamentals. There is no debts, defaults or NPA. Where you can check it means go to anywhere you can check, but I used to check with one platform, that is money control. So both these things I will use. Money control, investing.com. Both are equally good for me. Type as Ashok Leyland result. Come down, or any stock result. Come down, you will find money control financials. Okay. Ashok Leyland quarterly results financial. Click on it. Come down. Importantly, you can find something. Net profit or loss for the period. So this will give you an idea quarterly to quarterly. Okay. December 23. I think it has not been updated after that. Okay. Maybe it should come. Okay. It will be updated. No problem. As it comes, as the quarterly result comes again. So here you can see 580. So from 561, I'll give you an example. You can check with the result. Okay. Current result. And accordingly, you can check net profit or loss. So from 561, it is increased to 580. If it is loss, it will give you negative sign. Okay, minus 580 it will there, but it is profit. So from 560, it went to 580, which is a good thing. It increased, right? The profit got increased. So good time for fundamentally, this is a good stock. Okay, like that you can check for any fundamentals, any stock like Tata Chemical, just type as the stock name and the result. Come down. I think this is the financials. Yes. Net profit or loss. See, this is decreased. Here, you should not take the decision immediately for investment, because the profit or loss got it decreased. The profit actually from 236 it is reduced to 115. So here you have to give a second thought on the stock to trade with. Okay, so this is checking one of the fundamental, a basic fundamental. How much profit or loss the particular company has earned. A basic fundamental. So checking that also you can go with the investment plan. Okay, so this is what mentioned here. So check fundamentals, there is no depths. And do technical analysis. If it is for a short term, you can do technical analysis also. Start investing as per trade setup only on reversal. See, I told you, right? Many people started investing. So they came to know P ratio is also low. Okay, fine. What if the P ratio comes down badly from 20? Okay, I'm having an idea that 20 is the P ratio. Let me start my investment. But what if the P ratio comes down? What if the correction continues? From 20, if it is coming to 18, 17, 16, for that only this point is mentioned. Start investing as per trade setup only on reversal. So when you see a reversal confirmation, start your investment. Okay, that is for technical analysis. Okay, so this is just a like what to say, a logical update. Depth, yeah. Net profit, you will come to know if the profit is increased, if it is doubled, obviously fundamentally the stock is becoming strong, right? So we can plan for it. If in case we are taking an entry and by the time itself if it is negatively going down, then chances are very low to get some good returns from that, right? For that reason only. That is what Mr. Rahman, like it is for a trading purpose. Okay, like he is asking like stocks like Zomato having a PE negative, it has good returns. Obviously, if you are looking for trading kind of stuffs, you can prefer Zomato. I will never say no to it. But still, in case if you are planning for like kind of investments and all, negative P ratio is not that much good to go with because like earnings itself going negative. So it will not be consistently giving its move. For that reason only, maybe one or two stocks. Okay, but not everything. So for becoming consistent, obviously, as I told you, right, even in trading also, one stock will be opposite to the direction, but still it will give its move the same way. Okay, so that depth we cannot see that much easily. But anyways, if they are falling, even in this also you can see lot many fundamentals there, Miss Bhavani. Like you can see many things updated here. Even like their expenses they are doing, how much it is increased. So every update is given here. You can refer to this, which is more than enough. Okay, mainly in case if their depth is increasing, this profit or loss, if it is increasing, maximum that will not get affected. If the profit is increasing, no need to worry about that other part. Okay, maximum it is going good because profit is increasing. What they will do with the money? Their debts, everything will get reduced, right? Mr. Anshul, it is available in the what is that NSE platform. Every stock, every list, whichever you expect, everything is available in the NSE platform. No, Mr. Jaydeep. As I told in the beginning itself, P ratio strictly not for trading. It is just for investment for a long term. Long term, not for a short term also, for a long term. Okay, so let me just go with this. I think I have taken 4 minutes extra. Just spare some more time for me. Just 2-3 minutes. That's it. So why I have brought this means I'll tell you how many to see out of 503 the 5,332 times. You can see how many times this percentage movement happened. Everyone will be expecting some magical circumstances, right? Like especially index traders. If I wait for 1 minute, right, from 20 points, it will go to 60 points. So let me not waste it. Greed. That will come to our mind. I'm not ready to exit now. What if after exiting, if the stock goes up? This should never come to our mind. Maybe according to the technicals, keeping trailing stop losses, you can expect. But not expecting magical circumstances, because you can see the history here. Out of 5,300 days, you can see 1% is given 3,004. Majority only 1% movement per day, which is a normal phase. 1 to 2% is also normal phase. What I am trying to tell is, in a stock, especially in an FNO stock, you can maximum expect 2% on a normal phase. Don't expect too much from a stock, and don't leave the profit you have taken from the market and don't give it back, thinking that the stock will give too much for me. So normal phases, see 3,426, 1,269 are the normal phases where we got 1 to 2% max per day. So 2 to 3%, just 392 days out of 5,300 days. 5 to 6, 17, 18 and all, you cannot expect, only once in a while. So why I'm telling you this means, if you are expecting at a very huge percentage, remember this chart. Remember this table. It will not happen every time. Happens once in a while. Immediately don't think that why that once in a while should not be today. Please don't have such ideas. Because like thinking that something will happen, we should not give the normal face to the market, right? So 2% is the maximum thing we can expect every day. Maybe if you're expecting more than that, I gave you one route, right? Trial the stop loss and keep neck to neck and aim for something more. Okay, so always plan to keep money you have taken from the market in your bucket. Don't give it back to the market. Okay, so always log the profits you have taken. Okay, so this is very important point which I just thought of telling. So not in this, especially in the PE ratio, but it's very important point which everyone will be like what to say, understanding. Maybe you can take it as a psychology also, trading psychology content, which will never happen if you are thinking something like deadly momentum. I'm waiting for that. Happens once in a while, 20 years once, 10 years once. Okay, so aim for something in a decent range, and maybe you can expect more trailing the stop loss. So any queries? Any other query? That's it. So I hope everyone have got an idea, like what is the P ratio and why we are using this, all those stuffs. So start checking it, and this is, I'm telling you, this is just a stepping stone. Okay, you have just gone entered the basic level. You have so many things to go with it. Okay. Yes, Mr. Prakash, I'll share you the notes. Even yesterday's notes and today's notes. Abnormal phase. Abnormal phase means like not the PE analysis alone. That means that much momentum we are expecting. So that will not happen every time, right? You can check this. So that much deadly momentum is not that much expected on a very basic, what to say, on a normal phase. That's the summary of this page. Okay, always expect a decent returns and a decent percentage every day, which is really safe for every trader. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. I think I'm done for the day. You have many such important sessions waiting for you. And my sessions are done. I thought of taking tomorrow also, but thank you for giving me time, and I have closed it today itself. From tomorrow, your other classes will be starting. Mr. Ramu, PE ratio of individual stock for stock selection, and whether the time, the situation is good or bad. For that, we need to check Nifty PE ratio. Okay, Nifty PE ratio is to check whether playground is good. Share PE ratio is to check whether the player is good. I think you got my point now, right? Okay. Thank you so much and take care. We will see in the other sessions. I'll come back. I'll not leave it again. I'll come back with another topic. Okay. From tomorrow, Mr. Senthil will be taking over. Thank you so much. Take care. Good night. Thank you.